We're gonna top it off with this. All right.
No, that's good. I'm very sensitive to caffeine, y'all.
Man, not even sure. Look how I do it. Ready? Cheers to a good leg day.
Cheers. Right? Oh boy, where's your water?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my God. Where's my water? Girl, you had the water the whole time.
I did.
Is it? Let's see.
A little bit. All right, here we go, guys.
Straight back to the hand. All right.
Let's get the show on the road.
On the road, bitches. Tap in. We finna go in there. We finna hit some legs. We're gonna do we're gonna stretch first, obviously. We're gonna squat, hack squat, or we may lunge. It's either the one or the other is gonna be our main compound leg exercise. And then after that, we're gonna do a bunch of like machine leg presses, leg extensions, hamstrings. So yeah.
You get down and dirty, okay?
Yeah, down and dirty.
Yes.
Y'all might see us at the Ebony Fit Expo too, you know what I mean?
Yes. Coming up, April 2nd to 5th, Houston. It's going to be a vibe, so...
That's a fact, that's a fact.
Stay tuned.
Stay motherfucking tuned, man. Now, let's get this money. we finna do legs today.
That's right. We feel good. We're about to be snowed in for the next 48 hours or so.
Type shit.
So...
All right. Next one. Like that, and come up with this. Ooh, there we go. Do you feel like you gained weight?
I did.
You look good though. Like, see? It's because...
It's muscle weight, but it's like, I'm getting used to it.
We've talked about the type of women I've been dealing with.
Yeah.
Right? So they're a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
So I can always appreciate a little extra. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, we're going to be able to pop a watermelon soon, okay?
Oh, who, you?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
This girl's going to get there.
You might need that on video.
I mean...
Come up this way.
I'm trying to be slim fit.
So
we're down first.
Yep. All the way. Yep. Stretch. Now you stay down, and then we bring it up.
Up and over, stay down.
Yep.
Yep.
As you stay down, touch. And as you come back this way, then we stoop into a squat. Squat away. Now come up a little bit. And just hold right there.
Y'all don't make fun of my hole, okay?
You gotta arch your back a little bit more, sweetheart. Here we go. Yeah. Now come up.
And then come up.
Yeah, there we go.
When I say I'm sore, listen, your girl did legs, okay, 2 days ago. So you know how those DOMs set in? That's where we at right now. That damn hole.
What I think we're gonna do is we're gonna use this area right there, and then we're gonna attack those things, the legs.
Oh yeah.
Hit a little leg there, because we got this whole area to ourselves, right?
Absolutely. There's no better time than the present. There's no better time than an empty space. We got to take advantage of this space.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
So that's exactly what we're about to do.
Y'all know how we do. How's that feel?
That feels good. That shit feels mad good. Did you start it?
Yeah. You good? She getting that money. That money. I tell you, the first set is always the rough one. You know what I mean? You gotta warm up a little bit. The first set is always the rough one.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
That was a warm up.
Yeah?
Let me remind y'all, I just did legs 2 days ago.
I went up a little heavier on this one. Stay as close as possible.
Listen, y'all, if I'm telling you, you're looking for a trainer, Aleem is that person, okay? If you're looking for motivation, Aleem is that person. I wouldn't lie to y'all. I promise you, I wouldn't lie to y'all.
His rest in peace.
Once again, we did not match. We did not plan this.
2 chains. You would think after all the times I do this, it get easier. It doesn't.
It never gets easier.
Do this in our sleep. Tight sheet. Tight sheet. Let's go. Working hard.
Woo.
Thank you. And that's how you
That
I like
shit
that.
don't get easy.
I like that. Give me my money.
Bruh, it doesn't get easier at all.
If you didn't notice, I actually not wearing a belt. I have my belt, but I'm trying to get stronger in the core a little bit. You know what
That's
I'm
the
saying?
belt, y'all.
So the belt is not being used, but it's fine. We're gonna
Hold
go a little
up.
bit closer.
Permission to talk my shit, y'all. So, best believe that's what we're doing. Look at him go, y'all. There's no other way. And we're matching. This is completely unintentional. Completely unintentional. So, and we just got the 45-minute call, so we're about to get going. He doesn't know I'm doing this. I hope he finds this and starts laughing. Yeah, coach. Uh-huh. Yep. All the way down. We're going to give him some breathing room. Just a little bit. Oh, you thought we was going somewhere?
I'm not gonna lie. The worst song is playing in my ear right now.
That's the worst.
I'm so mad.
That is the absolute worst.
I'm so mad.
Oh, you're doing a full 360.
It's okay.
Let's see, we're getting low with it, okay? Watch every leg.
Let's go. I'm still getting that money. I'm still getting that money.
Oh, yeah. We're coming back to front.
Notice how my knee is damn near touching the floor, but not. That's the same move I do. Not digging in your bed. I look, you just turned up. Okay. How you feeling? We're not even done. We're still working. We're just getting started, actually. Right?
I was telling them that this wasn't planned
At all.
at all. We're going to add some weight to that, Joe.
Yeah. Which one you put on there?
Too much.
Okay.
Because strong is the new sexy.
Talk your shit. Shout out to
It's
Nike.
been the new sexy, but it's even more new sexy. 2026, it's the new sexy.
It's a fact.
Let me make sure I can get out of this thing.
Babe. You're so hyped right now that look what you did.
Oh, shit.
Look what's on this side. And then
I'm
look
so
at
hyped. Look at this. Rookie mistake, but I'm not a rookie, though.
She was popping it. That's fine.
That's what happened.
Hold on, I got you. You got it?
Yep.
And what's on there? 2 5s?
And a 10. I forgot the 10, too.
That's why.
Oh.
She was okay. So boom.
2 5s and a 10?
Ready when you are. You got that.
Make sure I got some good me tunes on.
You got that. I'm here with you. Take your time. I'm here with you. You good. We're locked in. That ain't no joke. Ooh, shit. Lock in. Lock in. Turn around for me, sweetheart. I know.
Woo!
We see it. I know. Let's go. Lock in. Bring it home. Bring it home. Bring it home.
We're bringing it home, y'all.
Bring it home. Bring it the fuck home.
One more?
One more. Clock in. Please explain to me one more time. What's the reason?
So,
what's the reason?
liquid chalk.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually a really essential tool when your gym doesn't have any chalk available. I had a little clip onto my bag, and this is perfect for the challenge. But guess who doesn't have the liquid chalk now? I don't have the liquid chalk, and I couldn't do the Sosa challenge this time.
No liquid chalk. Can't do the Sosa challenge. Suckered me into the Sosa challenge. Didn't match. So now she owes me money.
Oh boy.
Not physical dollars. Reps is what you owe me.
What are we doing?
So, I don't know. Can you do a pull-up?
I could do a pull-up. I could do like 2 pull-ups, y'all. I used to be able to do 4.
Let me see.
How many? Which one has more
2.
grip? Oh, that's a good one.
2 good ones. Up and down.
Up and down?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how I hold the bar?
Doesn't matter how you hold it. Get up there, though.
Up and down.
This is supposed to be leg day, but it's okay. Ooh. Another one. Okay. We're even. I like that. Okay, she paid me her money. It's fine. You're good. You're good now. Time for us to go home and finish and get some more cardio.
Yes. Listen, y'all.
We in here.
This is your sign right here. When you don't feel like doing it, do it. And if you have someone to do it with you, make sure you grab them, motivate them, and just tell them to do it. You'll feel better. The gym is the best place. And you already know this is our therapy. So stick with us.
Don't skip cardio, man. Until next time.